What is going on? You know, this is AlTone and welcome to another absolutely fantastic day. Today, I want to talk to you about NP-F batteries. So, in case you don't know, NP-F batteries are like, they're one of the main things that I use. I've been using a bunch of different NP-F batteries from different manufacturers. This one is an NP-F 960. The one thing about these is you have the 550, 750, and the 950. Each are a little bit different, possibly different in size, and the amount of power that each one carries is a little bit different. So as you're looking to purchase NP-F batteries, I don't care which version, whether that be a 550, a 750, or a 950 as this one is, one thing you always want to check on there. I always look at the reviews. I like to see what other people's reviews say, as well as I look at on each one of these batteries, right on the label, it tells you how many mega amp hours each one of these batteries should hold. And this one is 8,700. And these are Newmowa 3,000 megahertz hours batteries, NP-F 550s. So every single, so you see I have this light, which is my Nangang RGB light. I have my Viltrox light here. I have a newer 176 here. Every last one of these lights use, with the exception of the LumeCube, which has an internal battery, and this other LED light that I just did a review on over here, all of them use NP-F batteries in order to power them. Either they're using a AC power adapter or they're using the NP-F batteries. Not only that, but as I'm recording this, I actually have my Field World 7-inch monitor connected to the camera which I'm recording this on, and it also uses an NP-F battery. It's one of the more popular batteries for some of the equipment that you'll use for the purpose of recording and capturing video and audio, especially when it comes to lighting. And many of your external monitors are going to use that. So again, two of the things that you're going to want to check out. Most of these NP-F batteries are very good. I have not had much of a problem with any of them. They all last for a pretty good long time. Depending on how long I'm going to be shooting for, that depends on and what I'm using it on. That will determine whether I use my 960 or my NP-F 550s that I have here. And I have quite a few of these different colors and all of that. And so these are truly awesome batteries. Again, there's one thing that you really want to make sure that you check on, and that's what the mega amp hour rating is on each one of these lights. Each one of these batteries. That is the one thing that you're going to want to check for every battery. But these, this particular set comes with 2 batteries and a charger. In a lot of cases, because I've got way too many chargers because I keep buying sets. Many sets come with chargers. If you at this point can get away from, once you get quite a few, so this one has 2 batteries in it. Once you get quite a few, you might decide that you want to try just to buy the batteries themselves, give you a little bit of a price cut, and not buy a charger. I don't care as much for the chargers these batteries come with. I buy a special charger that will quickly speed charge these batteries. Not only that, but it will tell you what the battery charge level of each individual battery as it's charging is. And so I recommend getting 1 or 2 of those, depending on how many batteries you have and how much equipment that you have that you're actually powering with batteries, so you can kind of keep your batteries charged up. I have a small shoebox in my closet here that I keep all these batteries in. I charge them before I put them away. So if I'm shooting like I'm shooting now, and every one of these lights have batteries on them now, this one has 2. I will charge all of these batteries up before I put them away. And then my extra chargers, this one's a pretty cool Pretty cool little charger. They sit. There's different types of chargers. Some of them they sit down flat. Other ones they sit up in. This one will only charge NP-F550s. My other charger that I will link down in the description will charge all of the NP-F battery series. So they're really, really good. Later on, there's some other batteries I'd like to try out to try charging up or keeping power to all of my equipment. And I'll hopefully at some point I'll get an opportunity. Those are V-mount batteries. Hopefully at some point I'll get an opportunity. They're not inexpensive. So hopefully at some point I get an opportunity to get a couple of V-mount batteries and actually rig them up with what I'm using and give you an opportunity to see or share with you how a V-mount battery may benefit you. But again, these batteries are awesome. I would suggest collecting as many as you can. Make sure you can find them on sale. So if you're not in a bind. The other thing I would tell you is, and this is something I had a problem with the newer 176 LED lights. One of my lights would actually do something to my batteries. If you put a battery in it, it would not come on. And it would do something to the battery. I'd have to put the battery on the charger for a couple of minutes. After it shows up green or that it's full, then that battery's fine again. It will work okay. Something about that light was causing an error in the battery itself. And I imagine there might be a circuit, some type of protection circuit or something in this. So one of those newer lights was throwing it off. So now I use that newer light with power as my light for doing live video on my computer. So I just have it plugged directly in. I never put batteries in it anymore. So if you do find that you putting your battery onto one of your lights or onto one device and for some reason it's not working, it could be the device and not the battery. So just wanted to throw that out at you as well. So again, I hope this helped you in some way. I may have rambled just a little bit. I apologize for that, but this is just a matter of me providing you as much information as possible and as much direction in my entire thought process on some of the products in which I actually do reviews on. I want to make sure that you understand my thinking, because my thinking may be or may not be lining up with the way you think and the way you make your choices and purchases, and you need to know if they line up, so that am I a good source or am I not? So with that, have an absolutely fantastic day. I look forward to talking to you in the next video. Ask any questions down in the comment section, like and subscribe, and I definitely will talk to you again very soon.